In this video, we will be discussing the steps to issue a basic permit. For the purposes of this video, we will be using the Los Alamitos permit database. We will be using version 1.01 of the permit database. First, click on Permits in the upper left-hand corner. You'll be taken to the permit screen. Second step, click on New Permit to begin entering new data for a new permit. You'll notice that there are red fields on the left-hand side. These fields are mandatory for you to enter the permit. Begin entering data. For this purposes, I will be moving rather quickly, and then we will be using, for example, we'll be using a block wall permit. I've already pre-printed some data. We will be entering the permit status as issued. The application date today is the 14th. The issue date will be today, the 14th. And you'll notice an expired date already populates 6 months from today. A permit number has not been generated until you submit the permit. Begin entering owner data. I'll be using the blue buttons to quickly enter data from above, the job address to the owner, a phone number, again using the blue buttons to populate from the owner fields to the applicant fields. And for the purpose of this video, we will be doing an owner builder permit, so I will click yes. The owner has told me that their valuation is $5,000, so we are ready to enter the fees. Click on fees here in the left-hand side. You'll notice that there are building, electrical, plumbing, and mechanical fees, as well as a drop-down menu for other city-type fees. To begin, we will use the building button. We will enter the $5,000 valuation here. Click the green plus to add to the shopping cart. All the necessary fees automatically populate here in the right side. The owner has told me that they are adding 2 switches and electrical to their project, so we'll click on the electrical button, add 2 switches, and then they also told me they're adding 2 outlets, which is the same line. So now we have 4 switches and outlets here in the shopping cart. They will be adding 4 light fixtures to their wall. And you'll notice here on the shopping cart that everything has been automatically populated and generated for you. We will not be doing any building plan check because they are using a city standard plan and there is no electrical plan check, so we will uncheck those. You can even go as far as deleting those from the shopping cart. Very good. Those are all our fees in the shopping cart, and we're ready to check out. Enter the checkout person, who the person is taking the fee, which would be me. The person standing in front of you, for this purpose of the video, is also me. Your city may or may not collect this data. It is not mandatory. There's the check number, and click the tab key automatically populates what the fee that is in the shopping cart. So now with the amount paid and the total selected equaling them, you are ready to check out. Now you have checked out and you are ready to issue the permit. For the purpose of this video, we are completed, and we will discuss the topics of printing permits, printing job cards in the next video. See you on the next one.